Hello, I'm Freddie Jacquin. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist, and I'm proud to say that this year I've been invited to speak, present and run a workshop at the NGH convention, the National Guild of Hypnotists. The NGH is the longest running hypnosis convention in America. I'll be running a workshop titled The Power of Love, how to elicit and use powerful emotions within your client to help them easily into hypnosis and then help them change. I'll be running a 2-hour seminar called Rapid Change Phenomena, how to use some really powerful techniques to help people overcome pain or fear in minutes. I'm really looking forward to being there, meeting you, working with you, sharing our skills together. Now, in 1999, I created the UK Hypnotherapy Training College. And over these years, over the past 20 years, I've been teaching people on 5 continents how to use these wonderful skills, how to use this wonderful tool that we call hypnosis. And I'm looking forward to coming to the NGH convention and sharing those skills with you. It's going to be great. It's going to be an action-packed day of learning. The 2 hours is going to teach you how to use hypnosis in situations maybe with loved ones or friends where you don't have hours to deal with something, and I'm going to teach you some skills to help your friends and loved ones overcome fear and pain very, very rapidly. So I look forward to being there. I look forward to meeting you and sharing that time together.